Alright, let's compare the specs of the Fossibot F116 Pro with that of the Unihertz Jelly Max. These two mini rugged phones are among the best 5G mini rugged phones of all time. And yeah, in this video, we'll compare the specs of both devices to see which is equipped with the best specs. And of course, you can feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Anyway, if you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys, the Fossibot F116 Pro versus the Unihertz Jelly Max. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Personally, I believe both devices has their pros and cons. They are both really nice 5G rugged phones, and I just cannot tell which is better or not, especially since this is a specs comparison video. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.